It's that time of year again, and we have another Black Friday video. We genuinely found amazing deals, things that we use all of the time and love, and we even made some deals too.
Yeah, no waiting in line at the stores. $7 you can get a 32 gig SD card. You know what, that's awesome because you can stash it in your glove compartment or your purse or whatever. And then when you forget your memory card, you'll have it. It's a terrible SD card, but it's way better than nothing, and it's $7.
We keep one in our car.
Yeah, everywhere. We are offering 50% off of all of our ebooks.
That means our SDP book, our photography book,
The number one photography book in the world.
It's only $5 and it comes with 14 hours of video you've never seen on YouTube. This is ludicrous, so let's just make this like one day or something. What's next?
Photoshop, Lightroom books, our photography buying guide, all 50% off at sdp.io/store. If you want stuff signed, we get a common request. It makes a great gift. Any of our paperback books will be signed.
We do this once a year because it's a lot of work.
Yes. And so anything physical you order, except for the t-shirts at sdp.io/store, we've signed, and it's 25% off.
Okay, we use this every day. This is the Amazon Dot. It's only $20 now. I got this for my brother-in-law last year, and it was a hit. Like, everyone opened it and gathered around and used it. So if you want one of these, now's the time. Great deal.
I think we have like 8 in the house. Like, I have one in my bathroom that I can talk to.
Well, I got you one, and then you went crazy.
I love having them everywhere. You always want to be able to talk to Alexa.
We also have the bigger one, the Echo. It sounds a lot better, and this is $69.99. That's a great deal. I think I paid like $150 for yours or something.
Okay, camera stuff. This is an amazing starter camera. Under $400, the Alpha 5100 has a flip screen. You can take selfies with it. It takes beautiful video and fantastic stills, interchangeable lenses, and this comes with a lens. I cannot believe that price. I really think Sony is just trying to get all new customers because that is far too cheap. And $450 for the Alpha 6000, which was like the hit camera of like 3 years ago. Still a really good camera. Like, image quality is still like
and under
excellent.
$500. That's like the price point when people tell me a really good camera under $500. Like, that's what everyone wants.
Here you go. With the kit lens, our Lightroom presets.
We just made them. We actually made a physical copy, and you can get it on an SD card and reuse it, but now it's giftable, so you don't have to just send an email as a present if you want to give it as a gift, or you can just buy the downloadable version. 50% off. We have some before and afters for you here.
Yeah, look at the crazy differences that you can make with just a couple of clicks. And my technical presets will allow you to pull more out of your raw files than would otherwise be possible in Lightroom. They're perfect for people who shoot to the right, ETTR, or all those technical people who really want to maximize the image quality from your camera. Like, look at the dynamic range difference you can get out of this.
I saw someone use your denoise one in our group already, and it looked amazing.
Yeah, you eliminate noise. No matter how small your sensor is, you'll get perfectly clean images in the places where it's most important. Get it at sdp.io/preset for a limited time at 50% off. We've sold hundreds of them already. People are really excited about it.
Yeah, I'm proud of them. We have the Yi Light. It's an action cam for under $70. Our daughter uses this for vlogging.
Yeah, all the time. No need to buy an expensive GoPro. They work great. The Canon 85mm f1.8.
Yes, under $300. $300, and 85mm is a really good portrait length. So if you're looking for a portrait lens, this is a great one for a great price.
The Parrot and Affy is my favorite drone. There are more expensive drones out there, but this is the one that I travel with because it's small, it's light, the video is beautiful, and you never ever get the props in the shot. No DJI drone can do that. And $550 is a crazy good price. I think it launched at like $700, and that was only a couple of months ago.
Yeah, and it really does pack up really well. Like, our last trip, I couldn't believe it. The case is about this big. You can just throw it in your backpack.
No charger for it. If you're still in the DJI bandwagon, DJI is having a sale of like 30% off their stuff, so go to this link here, and you'll get my discount for it. T-shirt.
Look at Justin. Ow, Justin! 20% off. Justin is my favorite t-shirt model. We have this new version of our Stay Focused shirt. We have the original. Yeah.
They feel so good to wear.
Yeah, I get
they're
comfortable
very
ones.
Comfortable. We didn't like give you that cheap canvas like cotton.
No, these are actually, these are hand screened at a local company, so they're not like mass produced. They're cool.
Yeah, get it at sdp.io/t-shirt. It's 20% off. Full frame camera for $800.
The A7, full frame, $800. These deals are crazy.
And this is the same image quality you get on a new camera, basically.
Yeah.
Like beautiful 24 megapixel stills, or if you can spend an extra $2,800, go to the $899 A7 Mark II, which has sensor stabilization and better focusing. They both, like, full frame image quality. I cannot believe how cheap it is. We're a 4K channel. If you want a 4K monitor, $359 for an amazing 4K BenQ monitor, 28-inch, and it's HDR. Especially if this is awesome if you're a gamer. Like, this is like the ultimate gaming monitor, but it's also the ultimate just photo editing monitor or video editing monitor.
Yeah, I like editing on a really crisp screen. Oh, our Art and Science series. People really love this one. This has over 10 hours of training, and these are different from like our YouTube videos. We talk about really famous photos, and we show you ones that didn't become famous from the same shoot and talk about why. We got really awesome feedback on this, actually.
Yeah, we teach you how to actually see. We go more in depth than we can go into YouTube videos because people hear like snappy, clickbaity stuff. So here we wanted to go really in depth and teach the stuff that you need to know to really improve your photography. And if you're not happy with it, we give you money back on any of this. So check it out at sdp.io/artscience. It is 40% off.
It also comes on an SD card, 64 gig, that you can use as a backup card or use in your camera.
Yeah, or just online, but if you want a gift. If you want to get all this stuff right here, not the presets, but all the books in the Art and Science, we will give you half off, and we will autograph all of it and mail it to you. That's like the ultimate
We're
gift.
going to autograph all of it?
I know.
Holy crap, Tony, my carpal tunnel is going to be going crazy.
It's okay.
Can I get a signed bottle of ibuprofen? I'll have a signed ice pack.
Why would you do this to Chelsea? It's Black Friday, Chelsea. Everybody hurts.
Dang it. This is America. The 80D, $900.
Yeah, this was our vlogging camera for the longest time. It is awesome. So if you know somebody who's getting into vlogging, this is like the camera to get. It's what Casey Neistat used for the longest time too. $900 is a great price. One step up from that, a little more background blur, but also great for vlogging. The 60 Mark II at $1,300. They used to be like $2,000. That's a huge discount.
Everybody's going really extreme with the sales this year.
Yeah, but especially Sony. Like, this is an aggressive move from Sony. The A7R II, 42 megapixels. I have portfolio pictures of mine taken with the A7R II, $15.99.
I know.
Like, that's the price of like an XT3. It's aggressive.
Yeah.
Like, they're trying to kill all the other competition.
I
think it's an
know.
outrageous price. It really is a very
Now is
good
the
price.
time to get in on Sony, I guess.
And 3 months of Adobe Creative Plan with all these Sony cameras. $2,800 for the Sony A7R III. That's the current camera.
Yeah.
This is like the best all-around video, sports, portraits, landscapes. It's literally the camera that can do everything. And when we bought ours, $3,400. $2,800 now is a huge discount. You can also, if you're a Canon person and you've been thinking about upgrading to the 5D Mark IV, that's $2,800 too. So perfect for like wedding photographers, portrait photographers.
Yeah.
The Sony A9, I thought when it was launched that it should have been like $7,000.
What?
But they launched it at $4,500. That's what we bought it at, and now it's $3,500. Seriously, this is better than a 1DX. It's better than a Nikon
The
D5.
A9 is an amazing camera, yeah.
No blackout. If you shoot sports, it is unbelievable. That's what I always shoot it with. That wraps it up.
Whew.
All these links are in the description down below. You can also check the pinned comment. If you find another great deal, tell me about it in the comments. If you end up picking up one of these deals, I'd love to hear about it too. That's it.
Good luck. Happy shopping.
Bye.